All right, let's start. Does your name have any special meaning? Does your name have any special meaning?
Well, I don't know about my name meaning because I'm not curious about defend things or search things on a book. That's why I don't know about
All right, what's your name?
Salman.
Salman. All
Yes.
right, let's go on. Would you like to change your name in the future?
Well, I don't like to change my name because that's a good name, and my mother took my
Named me?
name to me. That's why I don't want to change my name.
All right. Do you think names have influence on personality or names have impact on personality?
I don't think so because it's all about your nature, what you do, what you can, and I don't think so. The name have something impact on your personality because
All right.
you have.
Do you like the common names or unique names?
Well, I like unique names because unique name seems well when we call someone, so that's why I like.
Okay,
Unique.
unique names seem to be well or they sound well.
Yeah.
So that's why I like unique names. All right. How do people select names in your country?
Well, in my country, people find the name from Islamic book because they prefer to give a name to baby as a Muslim. So that's why people find the Muslim name. So definitely they will find a Muslim name from Quran and from other book.
All right, that's good. Overall, it's fine. The last answer is really good. So try to cater the questions and answer everything. Now, let's go on. It's your turn, please. Do you like getting up early in the morning?
Usually, I like to wake up early in the
Wake
morning.
up.
Wake up early in the morning because I like to go for a walk in the morning. Then I have a breakfast with my family, and I like it. I enjoy that thing very much.
All right. What do you usually do in the morning?
As I say earlier,
As I have said earlier,
as I
I
have
have said
said
earlier,
earlier, that when I woke up, I go for a
when I wake up,
when I wake up, I go for a morning walk with my father, and we walk there for 15 to 20 minutes, and we came back home and get our breakfast,
all
healthy
right.
breakfast.
Okay, what did you do in the morning when you were a child?
It's been a long time ago that when I woke up in the early morning, I usually cry and
I used to cry.
I
You're talking
used
about
to
that time? Okay.
yes, I wake up and cry for something
To
for something
eat.
to eat because that time I can't explain my
I couldn't explain
I couldn't explain my
myself.
feelings or
All
anything
right.
else.
And usually babies change in the morning, so that sort of thing. All right, that's good. Do you prefer morning time or evening time?
I prefer morning time because at that time my mind is fresh and I can do anything in my fresh mood. So it is to you answer your question, I really like morning time.
All right. Overall, your answers are good. Just try to add a couple of sentences and focus grammar, the
Yeah.
tenses of your answer.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Good job.